I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. I am a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app, on eBay. I sell on Marketplace, and I also have my own website as well. I'm under DYL Fashions on all platforms. We're on Instagram and Facebook, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I make videos, what sold videos, thrift hauls, and I'm trying to do more informational videos. So today I want to tell you about cleaning Coach purses, and specifically the satin material Coach purses. They do get very dirty, and I was looking around on YouTube to find a video with some information on cleaning these purses, and I couldn't find anything. So I have been cleaning these up for years. I had a store where customers would bring me items and I would either purchase them or consign them, and a lot of times we wouldn't see a stain, or we would see the value in the bag and at least attempt to clean it. So I will be going through the two purses that I bought. I was pretty excited to go to Value Village, and I got both of these purses for $8. So normally they price even their stained items at $8.99, but one was $2.99 and one was $4.99. Okay, so for this purse here, what I did is, first of all, I removed all of the tags. Anything that could be removed, I did remove it because I was going to go ahead and soak this bag. Then I sprayed the entire thing with Resolve, and I flipped it over and I sprayed the other side with Resolve. I soaked it just in a teeny little bit of water in a tote, and then after about a half an hour, I kind of flipped it over. I just really wanted that stain treatment to soak in, and so I filled the tote full of cold water, and I let that soak for probably about 2 to 3 hours. I came back to it, and it was still a little bit stained, and you know, it just wasn't to a point where I was happy with it, so I took Windex and sprayed it onto a toothbrush, and I just went at those stains. And after I could see that it wasn't going to affect the color, I did actually spray the Windex right on the purse, and I really saturated it and worked on it with the toothbrush. So after that, I did put it underneath my cold faucet in my bathtub, and I rinsed and rinsed and rinsed and rinsed until the water came clear. You want to make sure that you are getting all of that detergent out of the purse or the thing that you are cleaning, because it will actually leave marks on the material. So I hung it to dry. It took probably about 2 to 3 days to dry. Here is the after effect. It did actually clean up really well. There's still some staining on it, and I will note that in my listing. I believe I can get $30 to $40 for this. I'm going to put it on Poshmark and probably Marketplace. I don't know if I'll bother with eBay. I feel like my quality has to be exceptional on eBay, just because I want to avoid any sort of returns on there. So the next one that I did clean up was this one, and this actually had quite a bit of staining on the back side. I did get majority of it out, but some of it is still staying. The limitation with this bag is I cannot soak this bag. I had to just spray it and wipe it. There is a cardboard piece in the bottom of these bags, and it could degrade that cardboard and just make the bag unusable if I was to soak that. So I did not soak that. The one thing too I want to point out with this Coach purse, this style they made, I looked over the handles really well. They're so skinny that a lot of times they will be completely frayed and wrecked. So just make sure that when you are buying something that you're, especially with skinny little straps, that you're looking them over really well, because if it's wrecked, what good does it do anyone? So with this one, I sprayed the Windex on a white cloth or paper towel, whatever you want to use, and I just wiped it really, really well. I did the entire bottom of the bag, and the Windex does not stain it, it just takes the stain out, which is awesome. With satin material, it is really scary because you think about a pair of satin shoes, and if you hit that with even one drop of water, you've ruined those shoes. But this, it's a high quality material and a really tight woven material, and it really can take a good cleaning. So I hope this was helpful. It's exciting to me to know that even if you're not cleaning for resale, which I was, cleaning your bag yourself. I mean, these bags are so expensive and they're so beautiful. That fabric is so brightly colored, and it's just a softer option other than leather. So it's nice to know that you can definitely clean that up. So Windex definitely is a must, and a baby detergent or a pre-soak stain treatment. You could use something that maybe was for baby clothing, or something more natural might be a good option. That way it's not as hard on the fabric. In the comments I will post what I used, and I have added photos as we went along here. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I'm making more videos, what sold videos. I want to do a shipping, what shipping boxes I buy for what items, and I will give you links to that as well where I buy them. So I would love it if you'd subscribe, and I hope you have an awesome day. I hope this video was helpful for you.